Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Elago Nintendo retro case for the Airpods Pro. As you can see, I am a fan of Nintendo and retro gaming systems, but this is also from Elago. Everything in this video, the link will be in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it. I can open this thing. There we go. And it's a silicone case, so that's the bottom half. And the top half, because the top half is not in here. And some instructions. Instructions are always good. And some tape, adhesive tape. Didn't think I was gonna see that. And a little ring thingy-majiggy, so you can dangle it off your backpack, your jeans, or anywhere that you want to dangle this thing from. There's a correct term for this. If you know the term, put it in the comment below, because it's on the top of my head, but I can't think of it right now. Dongle? No, I don't think that's it. No clicky buttons, sorry. This thing might be annoying to like always take out and plug in and charge, but I always charge my stuff wirelessly, my wireless pad over there, so that won't be an issue for me. And that is it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. There will be a lot more videos because I have a lot of stuff that I have to unbox. But this is the case. I'm not sure if I like this little gold ring. I wish it would be silver. I think silver would be better, but what do I know? I'm just a guy with an Airpods Pro and something I bought on Amazon. So let's get into it. I kind of don't want to use the adhesive tape right now because I have another case that I'm using. And I don't know if I use this right now, I'm stuck with this case, which is this case, the INCASE. The link will be in the description below. I made a video on this and I'll put that in the description so you can check it out. This case is amazing. Love this case. But we're here for this case. So let's put it on the Airpod Pro. Slide it in. This thing poked out a little bit because I'm guessing it has to go in that little hole right there. That's why it's sticking out. There we go. So it kind of protected from dust, I'm guessing. So that's kind of a good thing. And this would go on the front like so. You know what? I hope you line up perfectly, because that would suck if this gray thing was like over here and it's like crap. But it looks like it's aligned pretty good, and I'm guessing with the adhesive tape it would be perfect. If I open it, it doesn't fall. I mean, it still stays on, but to be on the safe side, you would want to use the adhesive tape because you can tell, like, this thing would fall off and you would lose it. And if you attach this to like carabiner, is that the name of this thing? The carabiner? I want to say that's the name. It just came to me. But this is it. Notice the little light's trying to shine through. On this case, there's a tiny hole in the front that shows you the light when you're charging it. So that's a good thing. This you can't tell, but let's try to charge it through the case. See a little red light right there. It's barely noticeable, but you can see it. And it just went away. But yeah, I like this case. It's kind of smooth and slippery. That's why they probably have this thing, so you can twirl it around your finger and put it on your jeans or your backpack. But this is the Elago case, Nintendo retro case. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. This is Low-Key Fanatic, and I'm out.